Yo, what's up YouTube? Today I'm going to show you that I'm trading Bitcoin. This is day one of trading Bitcoin, so we only have like 63 USD in our account. So I can show you like over here. That's my trade running right now, 30 USD profit. My account balance is 63 USD. I'm trying to make it go high. Let's see how high you can go. You just follow my journey by subscribing. I put a trade right here. I have an analysis on my trading view. I'll show you later if you subscribe. If I get 100 subscribers, I would try to mentor you guys. So you can see it jumps up there. I predicted that jump. Now I'm predicting it to go down all the way to this level right here. So yeah, you can see it's in 30 back. So yeah, if you want more, subscribe.